Okay, good morning, everyone. This is Carl from Suny Group.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our Alibaba Trade Online Show. This is Tina from Suny Group.
Okay, thanks for Alibaba giving us this chance to give us a live stream for our machine and factory. Now, many clients asking me, what machine can you provide? How many days can you deliver the machine? And what's the specification of your machine?
Tina, Yes, sure. Today I will divide it in 3 parts to introduce our company and our workshop and our machine. First is the before sales, and the second part is the during sales, and the third part is the after sales service.
Yes.
I will divide it into 3 parts to introduce our company and our workshop. First, I will answer the career question. How many types of machine our company can be supplier for? We have the different machines. First is the normal 3-layer face mask machine.
One type?
Yeah. And for the second type is the children face mask machine.
Okay, now we have 2.
Yeah. For the third type is the high-speed electricity speed face mask machine.
3 types.
And for another 4 type is the KF94 and the KN95 face mask machine.
KF94 and KN95.
Yes. We totally can be supplied for this 4 type machine. Can be meet for your different requirements. Okay. So first we will enter into our first stage. Is the introduce for our company. I will introduce our different type of machine. We will introduce our workshop. Now we can go to our office to check firstly. Okay?
Okay, now let's go.
Okay.
Tina, some clients ask me, what is Suny Group? Because they met many persons from Suny Group. Like from Zhengyang, some from Recycle, some from Honest. Are they the same company?
Yes. For our company, we have the mother brand in the Suny Group. And under the Suny Group, we have the different branch, like the Zhengyang, Honest, or Suny. You can first check. This is the Suny Group, and we have the different branch. And in Zhengzhou office, in Zhengzhou we also have the office to take our clients of the age. If you need, welcome to our factory and office. We the branch, and this part is the factory office. This is only the factory office. And in Zhengzhou, we have another office to more convenient to pick up clients from the airport.
I see people here working on their computers. Are they designing your machines?
Yeah, from this office, they have the sales, the China domestic sales. Also have the technical to do the drawing, the machine. Okay, it's the only office. Now we can go to our workshop to check our machinery, because because this year, in the beginning of this year, because of the coronavirus, many small factory or the new factory, they are only began to do the face mask machine. But for us, no, because we can to check our machine. On the machine, there are different components. They have the standard companies, also have some companies need to do the customer mask. But we have the machinery to do the customer mask.
Oh, you also can produce the spare parts and some special parts for the machine.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, that's very good.
Okay, let's to check. Okay, this is our whole workshop.
Now the camera can show us those machines. Some machines are already complete. They are waiting for the testing, and clients can ask the third company to check out their machine. If they are satisfied with their machine, we can pack them and deliver those machines. If we met any problem, we can see we have workers standby. They are checking those machines and fix their problems anytime.
we can too close to check the companies. On the companies, there are two different companies. One is the standard part. This is the standard part, like the support and for the plastic belt and for that plastic pipes it belong to the standard part. But we also have the parts is belong to the customer mess. We have the machinery to customize the the not standard companies. Now we can show you our processing workshop.
I think those motors and electrical parts, they are made by not made by us, right?
Yeah.
Where did we buy them? What brand are they? Those electrical parts like PLC, laser sensor, and motors.
For the electricity part, the mainly electrical components we are using is Suny.
Suny. Oh, yeah. It's an international group.
Yeah. For the after-sales service and for the warranty is more, long time and more guaranteed.
We have Suny electrical parts like I can use it forever.
Yes. And first, the machinery is our laser cutting machine. You can find the different place. It's cutting from here. Our labor is just operating. You can show it. It's the automatic cutting machine, laser cutting machine.
As I see, this is a very big machine. How fast can it cut those metal balls?
Pardon?
Capacity? Yes, I mean how many meters can it cut per second?
For 1 second, it can be cutting 10 meters.
Oh,
this is the automatic cutting machine. And for second one is a bending machine. You can find after you getting the plate, sometimes you need to bend it.
Oh, first cutting, then bending.
Yeah.
Okay. To become the main structure of those mask machines.
Hello. I just see somebody say you can't see us. You can see us. It's our machinery, and for Tina and Carol, you can see it. You can see us. I will ask the marketing department to check the signal. Okay. If you can see us, please say hello. Continue. The bending machine to bending the different bend you want. Okay. No. So now let's go to the next. And another part is the most important part is the machinery processing workshop. You can find for the mask machine the components we are doing here is for this is automatically we can close.
So you mean those bearings and the rollers, they are cutted and shaped here?
Yeah. For the face mask welding machine, the roller, and for some connecting parts is doing here.
So it's controlled by completely?
Yeah.
I think this is the
so we can ensure the components are accurate, and we can ensure the delivery time, the timely delivery time.
I think he is drawing this part.
Yeah. This part you can find it not the regular shape. It's the KF 94.
Oh, I see. KF 94.
Yeah, KF 94. It's not our normal 3-layer. This is another machinery workshop. And for the last one, you can check here. It's the
drilling machine.
Yeah.
So first drilling a hole, and then the bolts can fit in those plates.
Yes, the screws can be fitting here. This is our labor to operating.
So we can cut bolts and then bend the bolts, and then we make special parts, and then we have those holes to get screw fixed on it.
Yeah. For now, the machinery is belong to the automatic. As before, need to the labor to operate by the hand, but now it's by the machinery. The data can be ensured accurate.
So after seeing those machines, I have completely confidence about our delivery time because most parts we can produce them by ourselves.
Yeah.
So how many time does the machine from produce to delivery? How many time would it take?
Yeah, because now we have our own processing workshop for the delivery time. After we put it, we can ensure that it can be delivered within
1 week.
Yeah, that means about 7 days.
Oh, okay. Very good.
Yeah. Okay, now let's go to our workshop. Have the different area. Because as you just see for our processing machinery workshop, on the face mask machine, there are about 90% the components we are doing by ourselves. Only about 10% is belong to the standard parts needed to buy from outside. In this way, so you can ensure for our production ability, it's no problem. No matter you order 1 site or 5 sites or 10 sites, we can ensure the delivery time. Introduce our workshop with different stage.
Okay, now first we see there is a production area of ear loop welding machine.
Yeah, the components.
So they will gather their components and assemble those machines here. And after ear loop welding machine is complete, they will be transported into the beginning area, the place we began our stream. And then those machines will be assembled and tested and wait for delivery. So now let's camera push forward. Now we will see those blank mask making machines. Machine can be you will put through coils of fabric on it. 2 non-woven fabric and 1 coil is melt-blown fabric. So this is the most common mask we usually see. And after the machine is complete, we will left some fabric here. So when you put on new fabric, you just pick them together and make those fabric move forward slowly. So those new fabric would come into those machines and ready for production. This fabric would save you a lot of time.
Later, we can test the running. For the machine running, you can to check the machine whole running. You can from the fabric shell and to the blank mask machine. And for the ear loop welding machine, we will showing. Okay.
Yes, I think many clients are waiting for our.
KF94 machine. This is the KF94 machine. You can find the shape is different with normal 3-layer face mask. It's a different shape. Okay.
I think here this machine is running.
待会儿先介绍。This is just the test running batch, but I want to introduce the structure firstly to let you more clear about the machine. Then we will test the running. Okay.
Okay, so now we saw flat mask machine and the KF94 machine. We have 4 kinds of machine. Now we have seen 2. What are other 2? Where are others?
This is the high speed electricity machine.
You say high speed?
Yeah, for this machine, per minute, it can be achieved 300 pieces per minute.
300.
Yeah, it's a very high speed. Okay, and we also have the children face mask machine.
Children side.
Yeah.
Children face are small, so the mask have to be small.
This is a children face mask machine. According to the size, we can make the child.
Or some clients say they want bigger mask or smaller mask.
Yeah.
We can also customize it.
Yeah, because of the special time, the child is need to more careful.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so because now in the market, the normal 3-layer face mask machine is most popular.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we will first to introduce the structure of the 3-layer face mask machine structure step by step. Okay.
Now I think in China, most popular machine is one drag 2 flat mask machine.
Yeah. For
one
the
flat mask machine.
This is our 1+2 3-layer face mask machine. Now I will structure. It is a raw material shell. From here, you can find there are 3 rollers of fabric. There are 2 nylon fabric and 1 melt blown fabric.
Tina,
Yes?
what is that for you?
For this is the nose bridge.
Nose bridge.
Yeah. In the middle of our face mask, there is 1 nose bridge. This part is the nose bridge support. Okay. This is the fabric support. For this one is the folding part. From here, you can find the 3 folding, the folding. After the folding, it will be convenient from here. And for this one is the nose bridge cutter. Yeah, because 1 by 1 is nose bridge.
I see there is a blade here.
Yeah, that's nose bridge cutter. And this one is the welding roller. It can be okay, after the welding, it will be convenient. For this part is the mask body cut machine. Cutting. There's also 1 blade in the bottom to cut the mask.
So when it run for 1 round, it will cut 1 mask.
Yeah.
So the mask size is controlled by this roller.
Yeah, it's controlled by this roller, okay? After the mask body made up, it will be convenient. For this one, you can find is the divided belt. It will be divided into 2 ear loop welding machine. The first one ear loop welding machine, and the second one ear loop welding machine. 2. That's the reason why we call it 1+2 ear loop welding machine. And you can find this is our ear loop welding machine. For our ear welding machine, we improved the several points. Do you know it?
I think the old machine, they are driven by cylinders, by compressed air. How is your improvement?
For now, for our ear welding machine, our speed, because I have seen someone want to know our speed. This is our fourth generation machine. The speed can be achieved about 120 pieces per minute. 120 pieces per minute.
Those 2 machines plus together 120.
Yes. And I also see someone say after the machine selling, and how about the installation? First, I want to say that after machine finished, we will like this to installing, and with the fabric, we will test running to ensure the performance, no any problem.
Yes, I have seen a test running.
Yeah. Another side is a test running. Later, we will also test running to check. Okay, we can see it. Maybe some customer want to see it. Let's see it.
Some clients are
让一下经理。
carried. We provide 1 year guarantee. If your machine has problem, manufacturer, we will provide totally.
Now is 1+2 face mask machine that's running. From here you can see it. 3 roller fabric and nose bridge contacting and folding. And this is a nose bridge cutter. This is a welding machine. This is a cutter machine. You can check.
Tina, can this machine change into English control because some clients don't understand Chinese?
Yeah. For our cabinet, we have the English and the. This is the English. Also can English, Chinese also can be set into the third language, divided in your local, like your Turkey or Germany or French. You want, you can tell us. We can do that.
So this machine is running in 100 yuan.
Maybe English is better. This is the speed. It's 120, 22 pieces, 20 per minute. Yeah. So this button, it can be adjust the speed. This is the speed showing.
Tina, I think I know this girl here. I think I know her. She's a salesman.
Yeah, this is our sales, Wendy. Because
Wendy, why you come from office and come to the workshop? Why you are here?
we have a customer for delivery to Germany. So today coming all
taxi is already sold and you are here in
taxing. Because diversion we are taxing fee.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, because we have the different sales. After selling the machine, before the delivery, the sales must come to the factory to do the machine inspection to ensure the machine no any problem. Then we can deliver it. Okay. This is the air loop welding. For this machine, will be delivered to Germany. I just see somebody want to know the price. This price is our 1+2 air loop welding machine. The price is $48,000 per set. $48,000.
If I buy 5 sets or buy 10 sets, will you give me discount?
Yeah, sure. If your order quantity is big, I will go to the management to try to apply for some discount. Now I'm telling you, it's one set machine. It's $48,000. Yeah. Okay. Now we can see the running. During the running, no need one labor. It's more stable. No need the labor to stand the machine. You need to check, but for us, no. And for the ultrasonic, we are using the China first brand. For the warranty period, is 1 year. For the whole set, the warranty time is 1 year.
So after this machine is ready and after testing, where would this machine go? How would you deliver it?
Yeah, that's the point I will introduce. After the machine test running, it no any problem, we will do the dismantling. But for the components, we don't do any dismantling. It's only 4 parts. One part is the air loop welding machine. Second part is the air looping machine. Third part is the blank mask body machine. And for the 4 part is the shell.
So 4 parts is for cases? 4 cases or 4 parts?
Yeah, for the 4 wooden case. Later I will introduce our packaging. Okay? So now I will go to that. After the face mask, after you produce the face mask, somebody want to do the packing.
Yes,
packing into the package.
And I think they need sterilizing before some medical person would use it. It have to be germ-free.
This is our packing machine. After the face mask production, the face mask will be convenient here. It will be convenient into the using the plastic film to do the packing. For this packaging machine, for 1 piece, you can package 1 piece, 5 piece, 10 piece, or 50 piece.
I have seen some masks already packed in here.
Yeah, it's packed
One
here.
piece, turn it back. Oh, compressor. One class asked what kind of compressor we are using.
The air compressor, right? The air compressor, the standard is it will be need about 8.5 kilowatt. It is enough. 8.5 kilowatt.
What air pressure should this compressor?
The air compressor is about 0.8 MPa.
0.8.
Yeah, 0.8. Okay, this is a packing machine. For the another machine is a UV.
Ultraviolet.
Yeah, because for the mask is our profit to wear. You need to ensure the machine is no any damage. We are doing the UV to sterilize.
So how is this machine running? Put the mask inside and let. I think this one is the belt. After you put the mask here, the belt will carry mask inside. Let's see.
That's
In this machine, there should be several UV light tubes.
Yeah.
So when mask go inside, the UV light will kill those germs and viruses inside.
Yes, there's a UV light pipe inside.
After several times, the belt move forward to get the mask off, put on.
Yes.
Okay.
This is a two extra machine. It's optional. If you need, we can equip it with. If you don't need, also no problem. This is the optional device. Now let's back because as I told you, after machine running no any problem, we will do the dismantling, then do the packaging. For our dismantling will be like this. This part for the top, for the top point, no any move. No, this is only like this. We will to remove like this. No need to dismantling the components.
Tina. I see on that machine here is the cylinder, but why the cylinder is gone?
It's a servo motor.
Oh.
It's
this one is a servo motor?
Yeah, this is our improved point. By this the servo motor, the machine's work performance is more stable, and for the speed is also here.
So this is a new type.
Yeah, and we can call it is our fifth generation. Okay. We will do the different point improved. First part is the servo motor, and the second part you can put them here. This is a plastic pad.
It is an elastic band.
Yeah, but for the fourth generation is by the steel. But for the steel, it's more easy to let the face mask strike. But if by this type, no happen. Yeah. And for this one, it can be calculated. After the face mask, you can that one belt conveyor here. It can be calculated. Like 1 piece, 5 piece, or 10 piece, it can be calculated by convening by the belt conveyor.
We can have a look at this one. This is aluminum structure we are using.
Yeah,
you can see its thickness.
Yeah, it's 3 mm. For other factory, it's 1.5 mm.
So our machine is more heavy but more stable.
Yeah. After to do the dismantling, it will be like this. We will do the packing. You can see here. They are wooden case. This is the standard exporter wooden case.
So are they just put in the wooden case?
No.
Any other packaging?
Yeah, we will have the inside packaging. We will using the vacuum aluminum film packaging. You can come here. This is the vacuum packaging. We will remove the air to avoid the machine to do some rust or dust. It can be removed. For the machine, first we'll be packaging here and remove the air, then packing in the wooden case. For the wooden case, we are using the thickness is very. You can check. It can be support about I think about 500 kilogram. The weight no any problem.
Because I have seen two packages.
Yeah, two package step. It's no any problem.
I think these are very stable here.
Yeah. Because after machine, we already introduced the before sales and during sales. Now I will introduce after sales, because because this is a special time. Maybe some customers said whether your engineer can come to our factory to help us to do the adjusting, to do the machine installing. Because this is just now our engineer can't go to abroad to do the installing, but you don't need to worry about it. Firstly, before the machine finish, after the machine finish, we will, connecting the whole line and test running the fabric to ensure the machine no any problem. First is test running, and for the second, we don't remove all the components on the machine, just like this. This is one part. Second part, we'll like this to do the packaging. No do any further dismantling.
So I just need to put those 4 parts, put them together just like what you did, so I can run this machine.
Yeah, it's more easy. And for the third part is that we will, after you receive the machine, we will build one after sales group. We support 24 hours online guidance to offer you the layout, electrical drawing, and for the adjusting videos. We will surely to ensure the machine can be running smoothly.
Tina, if the machine is tested by an engineer, if I call him Mr. A, can I ask my after sales also provided by this engineer, Mr. A?
Yeah, sure.
So the same person would in charge of my after sales.
Yeah. For ourselves, for the sales A, if he gets your order, he will forwarding for the end to ensure the machine no any problem. He will continue to service for you. But in the during time, no change in the service.
So produce, testing, and after sales, so same engineer.
Yeah, same engineer and the same serve.
I think one person would know my machine very good. So
Yeah.
give me better service.
Yeah. For the sales, will be built one group for the engineer, electrical engineer, and the sales. And for our general manager, we will all in the group to ensure you can be smoothly running the machine. Yeah. This is the 3 parts for the before sales, during sales, and after sales service. Maybe also have some new person to come to our live show. If you want to have other, the question or information want to know, please send an inquiry to us.
Okay, one client just asked the question. The compressor should be 4 kilowatts. Let me tell you, the compressor air we need in this machine is very little, because you can see we already replaced most of the cylinders by motors, so it only needs very little compressed air. So no matter 4 kilowatts or 8 kilowatts, just the machine, if the machine can provide 0.8 MPa pressure, so it can work. Just the machine should have air storage tank. So the time, its power is only related with the time the machine fills the compressed air tank. So you can see the 4 kilowatts or 8 kilowatts, they are also the same. But if you have many machines, like I said, if you order 10 sets, I think you would need 8 kilowatts compressed air machine. So otherwise, you can just buy a 4 kilowatts. Thank you.
For the air compression, right? Because for the air compression, no matter the kilowatt, you just need to ensure the air pressure. Pressure to just need to ensure the air pressure is about 0.8 MPa. It's enough. Okay, so before I just show you is 1+2 face mask machine. We also have 1+1 ear loop face mask machine. We can let the camera to see our 1+1 face mask machine. Okay.
Thank you for your question. You can just buy a compressed air machine in your place because those machines, they are made in same standard. So no matter you buy from here or buy from your country, they are the same.
Yeah, of course. If you're in a local market, not so easy to buy air compressor, you also can be connected with our sales. We also can be supplied for. Okay. You have any question, you can contact our sales. Okay, now I will, because just now we are test running and showing it 1+2. We also have 1+1. For this machine, 1+1, the capacity can be achieved about 80 to 90 pieces per minute.
80 to 90.
Yeah, 80 to 90. And for this machine, it's suitable for the, if your budget is not so enough, you can buy 1+1. Okay. 1+1.
Oh, okay, here. This one is a 1+1 machine. You can see the front part are the same. Material rack, blank mask making machine. But in the middle, there is no shunt part. Only connected with one near welding machine. So without the shunt part, only one conveyor belt, so this machine can run actually in better stability. So it can run like faster. You can see one year welding machine, 80 to 90 pieces per minute.
I just see some person want to know the total power of the machine. The total power of the machine is 9.5 kilowatt. The total power, and for our voltage it can be customized. Like if your voltage is about, as euro, for our voltage is 220 volts and 50 hertz and one phase. You can tell us your voltage. It also can be customized. Okay.
One client asked, does this machine need environmental requirements? I think not much needed because this machine we already tested in our workshop. You can see our workshop is a little bit hot, but as you see, we are producing masks, and masks need certain medical environment. So you should keep your workshop at a certain degree, like 25 to about 25 degrees. So you should keep it.
Yeah.
And you should keep the workshop dust free because the dust would contain the mask, so make it polluted.
Yeah, this is just the face mask machine. No need any environmental protection. It's no any dust. Of course, if your workshop have the no dust standard, it's more better because you can do the packing and the UV. It's more easy. But of course, this is our production, not the real workshop.
So the environment won't hurt the machine, but the environment would hurt the mask.
Yeah, sure. I will let the camera to have the general outlook of the mask machine. This is 1+2. Yeah, for the general outlook, share, body, and 2 ear.
Put this machine.
For the space, the length is about. For the square meter, it will be need about 75 square meter is enough. You can check. For the length is about 10 meters. And
I think it's 7.
Oh, 7? Yeah, it depends on your workshop. Of course, if your workshop space is not enough for the belt, we can be shorter. I also just check somebody want to know the spare part. Now I will to first before you order, we will give you one spare part list. From spare part 1 to different part, we will give you one list. And of course, before machinery, we will give you some spare part for free. I will introduce the spare part. Like the first nose bridge, the cutter, the blade of the nose bridge, and for the second is the mask body, the cutter. This is belong to the spare part, and the other part is the some part of the electricity part. We will give you later. I will show you the spare part box. 给我大礼包去看一下。Okay, later I will show you the spare part. Before the machine delivery, we will give you the spare part box. I will show you now.
Tina, some clients will ask if my country, my tools for install the belts, the bolts, the screws, if they are same, if they are not same with China, how should I use them?
First, for the components, if it not belong to the stand, we will before the machine delivery, we will give you the enough. Okay. If you after the machine arrive in your part, if the spare part still not enough, of course this situation is not so easy to happen because we will introduce the enough. Like you can check. Before the machine delivery, we will give you one spare part box like this. There's different installing the screw. I mean the installing the tools.
Okay.
Yeah, you can find different.
So this all set will be mine when machine arrives? So you will send those tools to me?
Yeah, before the machine delivery, we will pack in together with the machine to deliver to you together.
So this bag would be in the machine?
Yeah, will be inside. Yeah, will be inside the machine package. Before, except this the installing tools. For order one machine, we will send to one whole set ultrasonic. Yeah, for this.
Ultrasonic. You will also send one?
Yes. The most important for this machine is ultrasonic. For the
this one is ultrasonic.
Yeah, for the ultrasonic branch we're using is the channel first branch. For this one set ultrasonic, the cost is about 1,000. 1,000 the 1,500 US dollar. Yeah, because the branch we are using is the channel first team. For other factory, the ultrasonic, the warranty time is only 3 months. But for us, the warranty time is 1 year. That means for the 1 year, if the ultrasonic is broken because our quality, we will send you one set for free. Yeah. This is the 1+1. I just show you 1+2. This is the 1+1. Anybody ask some question?
One client asked, can equipment parts be replaced locally? I think he is going to find some spare parts in his local.
Yeah, sure. For the first, as I told you, for the parts, there are some belong to the stand part. There are some belong to not stand part. If you're in your local, you want to mix in your local market, the time is more fast. We can give you the drawing. You can do in your local market.
Tina, there is another question.
Yes?
Is there a unified standard?
Unified? That means?
独特的资格，就比如 CE， 对不对？
Yeah, for you are asking for our machine certificate, right? First, for our machine have the CE certificate. And for our machine, till now, we already export to different countries. About 500 size machine already export to different countries. Like the Europe, the American, the South Korea, and Vietnam, and Singapore. We have the different machine export to the different countries. So you don't need to worry.
CE certification.
Yeah, CE.
So do we have any standard for this whole factory?
Pardon?
Do we have any standard certificate for this whole workshop?
Yeah. For us, and for our machine have the CE and SGS. Also for our factory have the ISO. We have
ISO.
Yeah. If you worry about our machine's performance, after machine finished, you can send the third party to come to our factory to do the inspection. No matter the SGS or CCIC, it's no problem. You also can place the order on Alibaba. It's online. Alibaba to ensure your profit. Alibaba as a third party. If you confirm the order from Alibaba, no matter the delivery time, the machine performance is some problem, you can go to Alibaba. Alibaba will be publish us.
Can I ask Alibaba to check my machine?
Yeah, sure. After when you confirm the order, you can to also confirm the Alibaba to come to our factory to do the machine inspection.
provide this.
Yeah. Alibaba can be supplier for the inspection service. It can be ensure the buyer's interest no any damage. The buyer's money no waste. Yeah. So if someone new to our live show, if you want to know some information or some question about our face mask machine, you can to send to our inquiry to our sales. Our sales is online to serve it for you. Oh, sorry, a long time. My voice is a little broken.
Okay, so how about let's go to our started place
Yeah.
and rest, so wait for others' comments.
Yeah.
还有15分钟。对，还有5分钟。
5分钟就掉了吗？We can let the camera to check our whole workshop. We have for this machine, all the machine is we can let the camera to show our whole workshop. For all this machine, it have the order. 看一下整个车间。For all this machine, is the order. I mean, it's after finish adjusting, no any problem. It will be delivered to the different time. If you order today, the machine can be delivered within 1 week. That means about 5 to 7 days it can be delivered. And for our trade online show, for every week we will have one live on show. If you want to check the machine and if you want to know more information about the machine, don't hesitate to contact with our sales. Okay. Maybe also just because the machine running a little noisy, I didn't introduce so clear. Maybe some customer maybe worry about after machine arrive here, arrive your factory. Maybe the cabinet is Chinese. How you understand? But for us, it's no. All our cabinet is English and Chinese. We can let the camera too close.
So both English and Chinese.
Yeah. English, Chinese, and our branch for the CE certificate have the branch, have the model. ZYPK 60 is 1+1, and ZYPK 120 is 1+2, the different model. And we also have the children face mask machine, and for the packing machine, for the UV machine, have the different stench. You can choose the one you want according to your budget, according to your workshop space. It can be, you can choose the one suitable for you. Okay.
So time running very fast. So it's time to say goodbye, I think.
Okay. The time is when we finish the live show.
When we will finish the live show.
If someone new to our workshop, if you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact our sales to ask your question. Okay. Anybody want to know some further question to know the machine running?啥东西啊？不能不明出现的直播。你一直在，我不在的时候也要在，好吧？我已经没话说，我嗓子已经哑了。You can find out in our workshop there are so many machines. They have to do the adjusting and delivery. For today's live show, it will be going to finish. If you don't have any question, we will finish today. If you have other question, today afternoon we will have another live show. You can come to our live show workshop to ask the information you want. Today,
some more information. If a client already have mask machine, but he wants to invest more and enlarge his scale.
yeah, we also meet some clients. They already purchased the machine, maybe about in the February, but for the machine running is not so good. We also can be suggest you can buy the machine separately. You can
I see a question from a client. Can we have the program of the machine? I think the program you mean the control screen and the PLC program. Yes, we can provide that for you to adjusting those programs. But we already left some empty space on the PLC for you to adjust. But I think you shouldn't adjust those programs we already write. So in case of any problems.
Yeah, hello. I just see somebody want to know whether we can supply for the program of the PLC. Firstly, I need to know why you need the program of the PLC, because we can ensure our machine no any problem. Of course, if you want to do some more change, maybe like you want to let the machine running more better, or you want to change something. For this part, I need to confirm with our management, because if you have the program, you can make the machine by yourself. So I need to confirm for this point, because we can ensure our machine running no any problem. The reason you need the PLC, I need to confirm. Okay. So we come back to the first the question I just asked, because in the February some customer they already purchased the machine.
Hello. I think we already answered your question about the program. If you have other problem, please leave your comments down below. Thank you.
Yes, I also want to get the program, right? Yeah. You get. I hope you already get our answers for the PLC program. I need to confirm it with our electrical engineer and for our management to confirm whether can be give you the PLC program. Okay. And now I just want to answer that is if you already maybe some customer they already have the machine but they want to explain the production. Okay, you can be purchase the machine separately. Like you can only buy our mask body machine, or you can only buy our ear loop welding machine. You can buy it separately.
Okay, Tina, one question. I think this question is already answered. Do you sell kids mask machine?
Yeah, we have the kids children face mask machine.
Children size machine is actually the same with other machine. Just the blank mask machine. This part we
Just
will
the
do
size.
some small changes to change the size of the mask. Other places are all the same. So if you want children size, you can tell us what size you want. We do the customize, or we will send you those 145 plus multiplied by 95 this kind of size.
Yeah, for the kids machine and for the adult machine, its structure is similar. Just the size is different. I just found one client they want to know the engineer available. First, because this is the special time, our engineer can't go abroad, go to the different countries to do the installation. But until now, in the Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore, South Korea, we have the engineer can be available.
So
okay.
We have engineer in those countries.
Yeah.
They can provide us the sales.
Yeah, in Malaysia, Vietnam, Singapore, and South Korea, we have the engineer can be installation, can be to give you the guidance.
We will have engineers in the country like future or next month.
Yeah, sure. If the coronavirus is not so serious, our engineer can be go abroad to other countries, no matter the Europe or America, it's no any problem. Just now because of the coronavirus, like the USA, the very serious, our engineer can't go there. Yeah. Anybody have other question? You can to connect. No matter So maybe somebody is new to our live online. I will introduce for me. This is Tina from Suny Group. For our company, we can produce the different face mask machine, like the normal 3-layer face mask machine. It's 1+1+2, the different production. And we also can be supplier for the case face mask machine. And we also can be supplier for the K95, KF94, the different machine.
Packing machine and the UV light machine for later process.
Yeah. This is the operational machine for the packing and for the UV machine. It's operational, depending on your request. It's so hot. Yeah.
Do we have a question?
Sterile.
Tina, now we have a question.
Yeah.
You also have sterilizer?
Yeah. Let's check. This is the sterilizer. After the face mask machine, mask out, you want to do equipped with the sterilizer. It's the machine, and for this one, it's the packing machine to do the packaging. This is the packing machine. This is the sterilizer. We have 2 models. One model is 4 meters. Yeah, 4 meters, 4,000 mm. And another model is more big. It's 75. 75. That means 7.5 meter. We have the 2 models depending on your request. And for the packing machine, you can, for one package, you can pack in 1 piece, 5 piece, 10 piece, or 50 piece.
Yes, this sterilizer is using UV light machine, ultraviolet light. Use UV light to sterilize the mask. When the mask traveling in the tunnel, it will be exposed in UV light. So the UV light will kill those virus and germs inside the mask.
If you need, I can ask the sales to give you the video of the sterilizer and the packing machine. Yes, they can packing directly. But the face mask machine, you need to add 1 device. Is the ear loop folding machine. Let's check ear loop folding machine. 那个折耳机，那个带吗？不带吧？
这个折耳装置，这折耳装置。
Yeah. This is the ear loop folding machine. After you produce the face mask, the ear loop already folding, but you need to folding the ear loop. Because for the live show, the Alibaba can't allow us to show the face mask. I can't to show you.
One client asked Tina, can this machine connected with packing machine? Is it fully automatic?
Fully automatic. It can be connected with the packing machine directly.
So the mask from here,
yeah,
just connected
with the packing machine.
So it will finish the packing.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. 1 minute. We still have 1 minute.
Our live show is going to finish. Only 1 minute to left. Today, thanks for your listening. If you have more questions or need any further information, please don't hesitate to contact with our sales.
Yes, thanks for your watching and listening. Don't forget to hit the like button down below. And thanks for Alibaba to give this chance to us. Thank you.
This is Tina from Suny Group. Bye.
This is Carl from Suny Group. Goodbye.
男生了，女生嗓子持续性太低了。
我让过去。
下次你注意啊！因为女孩就不能一直主张的嗓子要哑了。
把麦关了再说。
关掉了。